Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pump any type of ball with Xiaomi wireless air compressor. To do this, first we'll need to grab the pumping needle that comes with the package, and we'll need to open this wire right here by pulling it up, then screw the pumping needle make sure to fully screw it in. And then also I should mention there's this gap in the needle, and you will need to put that needle inside your ball fully until you can see this gap. So now we can grab our ball and find the place where we can pump it. Usually it should look like this, and then stick it inside our ball. And now we can change to the ball mode by clicking on this button right here. So it should be at the end right there. And then click on this button right here to start pumping. But in this case the ball is actually full on air, so there's no need to add more air to it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.